off, we are on deck 14, the very front of the ship, the highest point that guests can actually get. Around the corners from me are the Serenity deck for 21 and over adults, and right in front of me is the entrance to the water slide. Moving down to deck 12, on the very front of the ship, you'll find the lower level of the Serenity, adult 21 and over area, with more comfortable chairs and even a bar. On the other side of the Serenity area, you'll find chess, a couple ping pong tables, which we are super competitive, so you'll see those later. And then moving to the back of the ship, you'll find mini golf. Also on deck 12 is Camp Ocean. It features 3 different levels for kids, 2 to 5, 6 to 8, and 9 to 11. Continuing on to deck 11, in the very front of the ship, you'll find the spa, the salon, the gym, and some staterooms. When you move to the back of the ship on this deck, you'll find the jogging track and the sports square. Onto deck 10, in the front of the ship, you'll find staterooms. In the middle, you'll find the Stars pool, and moving to the back, you'll find the Point Steakhouse and old-fashioned barbecue. Moving on to deck 9, this is the Lido deck. This is where the main happenings are. In the front of the ship, you will find some staterooms. In the middle, though, is the main pool. On one side is the Red Frog rum bar. On the other side, the Blue Iguana tequila bar. And then moving towards the food area, you'll find my personal favorite, Guy's Burgers. And then on the other side, one of Zach's personal favorites, which is the Blue Iguana Cantina, featuring tacos and burritos. Once you move inside, you'll find the main buffet area featuring a deli and salad bars, any kind of food that you could imagine. Then you move outside, you'll actually find the Shrimp Shack, which does include a charge if you want to order there, and the Pizza Pirate, which is 24 hours and it is free. And then in the very back of the ship is another pool and a couple of hot tubs. Decks 8, 7, and 6 only include staterooms, so we're going to skip straight to deck 5. We are currently on deck 5. In the very front of the ship, you'll find the top level of the main theater. Leaving the theater, you'll find fun shops on both sides of the lobby. Continuing further back, you'll find the Skybox Sports Bar, Cherry on Top Candy Shop, the Tahiti Casino. Also on deck 5, you'll find a coffee bar and the arcade. Continuing towards the back of the ship, you'll find the Alchemy Bar on the starboard side, along with the Blues Piano Bar. And on the port side, you have Vincent's Jazz Bar. In the very back of the ship, you'll also find the nightclub and the Degas Aft Lounge, which serves as the comedy club every night. Moving on to deck 4. In the very front of the ship, you'll find another layer in the theater. Once you leave that theater, you'll find the Painter's Library, the upper deck of the Renoir Dining Room, Alfred's Bar, and the second deck of the Monet Aft Restaurant. We've made our way down to deck 3. Deck 3 features the lower level of the main theater. Moving towards the middle, you have your main atrium where you enter on the very first day of the cruise. This main lobby area also features the shore excursion decks and guest services. Moving towards the back of the lobby, you'll enter the Renoir Dining Room, which again is a 2-level dining room. This is the main floor, which features your time dining. And finally, decks 2 and decks 1 feature only staterooms.